everybody, it's Denise Austin.
And her daughter, Katie Austin.
And we are going to give you an 8-minute ab workout. So let's get started. Woo! Tighten up those abs. Oh, okay, let's just begin by a nice stretch side to side. This is now warming up those oblique muscles. Yeah. Woo! Are you ready? We'll be doing standing abs and getting down on the floor. So you can do it.
And all you need is yourself, no equipment needed. So get up off the couch and join us right here, making sure you're really elongating your side body and you're adding a little bit of a bounce, keeping those knees soft right here, tighten up that tummy.
Okay, now twist side to side. Work that waistline, let's go. Woo, I love this one, you guys. Also, it works on the back of your legs as well as your love handles back here. So if you reach out, you really feel it. Good, no more love handles that we hate. Okay, 2 more. Last one. All right, let's stand up nice and tall. Thinking about good posture. That's it. Is your back strong and straight? Let your knee come to you. You're now working the lower abdominals, the lowest in between the belly button and your pelvic bone. This is a great way to kind of get those lower abs moving. But you have to tighten up your tummy. Pull that belly button in. That's it. Okay, stage 2. Come all the way up. Come on, lift it up. Good. That's it. Good. And as you do this, elongate your spine. Your spine is your lifeline. You can do it. Good. And now, as you do this, we'll add a torso twist. Twist and twist. And while you're doing this, notice Kelly's belly button's in.
Katie.
Yes, that's my other daughter, Kelly. We got Katie here. Kelly does this too. But the belly button has to be pulled in, almost like you're kind of making it in, like a corset would pull it in. Great. 2 more. Last one. Okay, now hold your tummy nice and tall. We're going to go side to side. Now we're concentrating and focusing on those oblique muscles. They really help shape you, give you that nice sculpted waistline. Good. You can do it. Kind of feel it through your waistline. Pull your abs in.
Keep breathing, keep those shoulders down and back. Good posture. Almost like you're pulling a rope from each side right here.
Oh, yeah.
And you're only getting out of this as much effort as you're putting in too. So work hard. We only have 4, 3, 2. On this last one, stay right here. Hands go out to one side right here. We're gonna do some side pulls. So pull that knee through, working those lower abs.
Also with the little torso twist, you get a little obliques here. That's it, come on, pull it in. Belly button to your spine. Tighten up those abs, core tight. Core crushing right now, come on.
Great. For 3, 2, 1, and switch. Here we go. Arms go out. Pull that knee through and power through.
I love this one, Katie. Pull those abs in, tighten it. Good.
Nice low impact cardio too.
Bring back. Coming up. Good.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh. Okay. Now we're going to do one of Katie's favorites. It's a side pull. Stretch your hands to the side and pull your elbow towards your knee. That's it. Pull. Good. Pull. Now you're really focusing on the waistline. Going in. Yes. Cinch in that waistline. This is such an excellent way to really get the whole side body, the whole waistline. That beautiful hourglass shape. Last one. Okay, to the other side. Let's go. Pull. Really pull. Focus. Good. That's it. Bend a little more at the waist. Really cinch in that waistline. Yay! Good. We got 2 more. Last one. Okay. Time to plank it out. Let's get down on the ground and do a plank. All right, the first one is on your elbows, a low hover. And the reason I like the low hover is because it really focuses on this abdominis area. It's really tightening up. That's it, and all in front, the front of your abs. This is where you're gonna really get the extra workout now. Pull, don't let anything droop or sag, it's all lifted. Notice her legs are strong and straight. She's squeezing her buttocks, and fold it, tighten up. Good, notice the shoulders are in nice alignment with the elbows. So you're nice and nice like a plate, just like that. Okay, now knee kisses, touch one and then the other. Now you're engaging a little more of the lower end of the rectus abdominis. That's it. Good, the lower part of your abs. Excellent, Katie. You got 2 more. You can do this, you guys. Last one. Okay, take a breather. Good work. Now, up on your hands, and now I'm gonna do like a spider, and I'm gonna hold it upright, really tight, and pull up and down. Pull it in, that's it.
Like slow mountain climbers right here. And also, to make it a little bit more challenging, really to work your side abdominals, your love handles, you guys can try to have each knee just like that beautiful mom, like a spider. So still keeping that nice high plank position right here. Your butt, not too high, not too low. Really working those love handles. And then if you guys want to work more of your lower abs, you guys can do straight towards your chest as well to do those slow mountain climbers. Last 2 and 1. Nice one.
Okay, thank you. All right, now it's time for my favorite of all time. Works every ab muscle you've got. It's a bicycle.
All right.
Did you know that? It works the most muscles of the core, the bicycle. It engages your sides of your waistline. Let's go, come on, bicycle it out. This works those abs, works the waistline, works the whole abdominal area. You can't get a better one than this in a plank. It really works. Excellent, Katie. This is the perfect form, you guys. That's it. And then you can slow it down and really twist if you want. Now slow down. Really engage all of those ab muscles, the cells in your ab. That's it. Good. Engage them all. Your back is flat. Make sure your back stays flat. We got 2 more of these. Last one. Okay, now for the lower tummy. My also area I need to work on after babies and all. After having lovely Katie and Kelly. Okay, notice my back is flat here. I'm just doing a simple toe tap, that's it. But it's flattening my lower tummy. This one's great.
It doesn't look like much, but I promise you guys will feel this. And just make sure you're slow and steady. No need to kick your feet down really fast at all. Making sure you're still breathing. Inhale and exhale. Also, the more you breathe during ab work, the more you're really gonna contract and engage your core as well.
And then you can get a little more advanced and do the straight one.
Wow.
Woo! Come on! Give it a try, you guys. Come on. Okay, one more that we're both gonna do, Katie. Get on down, we're gonna do our little tucks. Tummy tucks. Here we go. Tummy tucks. That's it, come on. Finish it strong. With
Last move.
Yes, you can do it. Let's go side to side now. Side and side and side. You come on. Make it work for you. Waistline workout. Tummy, abs, core. Keep it tight. 2 more. Last one. Okay. Woo! We did it, sweetie. I hope you enjoyed this. That's a great ab workout. You get it done in just 8 minutes. Love you guys.